This is a 2018 BMW K1600B. This is a bad hot rod here. This bike is in excellent condition and very highly accessorized. It has the 6-cylinder inline engine that pumps out 160 horse and about 126 pounds of torque. So it will get you down the road in a hurry. It will carve the canyons or cruise the highway, whatever you want to do. It has 7,899 miles on the odometer. It has had the 6,000 mile service completed. It also has the transmission recall completed. The bike is in just excellent condition. It has new tires front and rear. A little custom paintwork on the saddlebag lids. Looks really awesome, a little blue and silver flame. It has a custom Corbin seat that is heated. It has the backrest for the passenger and the rider. It's in like new condition. Now, also included with the bike is the stock low seat that is heated and the stock high seat, and they're both heated, both in perfect condition, so you can, out of the 3 seats, you can find something that's going to fit you just right. This bike has the premium package, so it has the heated seats, heated grips, ABS Pro brakes, gear shift assist, hill start assist, the driving lights, electric adjustable windshield. It has the GPS BMW navigation unit. It has 4 riding modes. Take that back, I'm sorry. It's got 3 riding modes: dynamic, road, and rain. It also has 2 suspension modes with 3 selections per mode, so you can get the suspension just right for whatever kind of riding you're doing or whatever kind of load you're carrying. There's a 7-gallon tank, aircraft style fuel door, security system, cruise control, of course. Now, the windshield on this bike right now is by a company called Wonderlic, which makes a lot of really great BMW parts. This one is a tinted windshield, excuse me, and then a vent. This is a very great touring windshield. Now, if you want something a little sportier, the stock windshield, which is clear, also comes with the bike. It has adaptive LED headlights. It has the LED driving lights. Bike is in just excellent condition. The levers are adjustable. Now, if you're into music, when you're riding, this bike's got it covered. The front speakers have been replaced with PRV speakers. 2 PRV 6-inch woofers or subwoofers have been added in the saddlebags with a Rockford Fosgate amp. So this bike will thump and will put out enough sound to where you can hear it clearly screaming down the freeway. In the premium package, it has the engine guards underneath the highway floorboards. It has the quick shift, which basically what that means is you can shift this bike up through the gears without using the clutch as long as you're on the throttle. Similar to a sport bike. So you can get up to speed really, really, really quick. Great brakes. These bikes are just absolutely awesome to ride. Very comfortable for a long distance, or plenty of power and handling if you want to go out and rip the Twisties. The bike is under factory warranty. For information on how to put this nicely accessorized, low mileage BMW hot rod in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now save yourself a couple $1,000s off of MSRP on a new one that has no accessories on it. Don't get stuck with the setup charges and the dealer prep fees and the title and dock fees and all the other fees that seem to get added onto a new bike. And give us a call. Our prices are out the door. Thank you for watching.